Colin Wellman with Spiegel Wellman Construction. We're here in the Marquez Knolls, the Palisades on Maroney Lane. This is actually my house, affected by the fire. This backside caught on fire. Tree fell on it. Inside of the house flooded. It's been a long road back, but we're moving in this week and we're excited. We chose ACRE. We love the versatility of it. You know, you can paint it, you can clear stain it, you can stain it color. We had the batten board siding before. The ACRE kind of brought it back to life, modernized it. You can treat it like wood, work with it just like wood, but doesn't have the long-term maintenance issues that wood does. Being in the fire zone, ACRE being fire repellent, kind of gives us a little more comfort that God forbid it happens again. If you do the install right, we feel like gives the house a nice envelope for protection against fire. ACRE has been amazing, easy to work with. On this project, we chose Modern Mills ACRE siding, 1x8 boards with the nickel gap reveal. And we think it gives the house a real modern look. We went with the clear stain, Benjamin Moore clear stain, just to kind of bring out the color of the wood, make it look natural, but clean and modern. And we think it worked out great.